Have you ever wondered why there are so many golf clubs and why they are all so different or why they are numbered? The reason is because pitch and distance. An iron is the most versatile out of all of the clubs. The irons span from 2 to 9, even sometimes to 10. Loft, or degrees, is determined by the number of the iron, 2 being the lowest at 10, 9 being the highest at 35 to 40. At a high angle, it does not go so far, but it does reach a higher peak and lands, where a number 2 is much more straight and goes a long ways. Woods and hybrids. A driver is a wood. A driver is the first club that you use to tee it off, to get it down the green, down the fairway, so then you can get into the box and hopefully make it in. But woods and hybrids also can replace irons. See, woods are used in short grass, called the fairway, and they get cleaner hits, where if they were out in the rough, it would be a lot harder for the ball to go because the club can't exactly hit it quite right because of all the grass. Hybrids are the same way, but they are more suited for a less predictable weather or just preference in general. Wedges are a get you out of a bad situation kind of thing. Sand wedge, if you make it into the sand pits, you can hit it out because it has such a high degree, so it lofts it up and drops it just enough to get it out. Where a lob wedge is if you're in deep grass, so you can hit it out and it goes up high and hopefully drops down, where hopefully you don't shank it or it goes to left, right, and just doesn't want to go where you want to go. A pitching wedge is the same way if you need to clean up around the edges, or if you just really just want to make it onto the green without hitting it so far and you have to go up a hill. Putters are by far the most customizable of all the clubs. You can change the heads, you can change the balance, you can even change the grips to things that you want. They're very customizable and they're very personal. Putter heads are all different. You have blade, you have half mallet or mallet. The main difference is also preference on those, but it's also about how you want to hit it, the swing of it. Heads kind of give you a little more weight, so then if you're a soft hitter, then you can go in and hit it. If you're a hard hitter, then you might want some more weight, like a mallet. If you're a soft hitter, you might want a blade, so that it doesn't slow you down so much. Top and face balances are basically how the club at the end ends. A face, as you can see over here on the picture, is straight club. It's just connecting straight to it, and you just hit it straight. Where a top balance can helps people that don't quite hit it straight hit it in the direction that they want it to go. This being said, clubs come in very many different shapes and sizes. Thank you.